Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to create this yearbook trend video on TikTok. So if you want to create yourself as someone from a yearbook, then let me show you how to do this. So before we begin, you need TikTok and you need CapCut. CapCut is a free video editor which is available on your Google Play Store or App Store. So go ahead and download that. Once downloaded, you want to go back to your TikTok app. In the TikTok app, you're searching for the following account, Test the Simple Dad. Go ahead and visit the profile page. Now stay till the end of this video as you'll see that template appear right here. For now, I'll go ahead and use it for my favorites. So this is the type of video which we're going to create. Go ahead and tap on CapCut, try this template. Go ahead and tap on Use Template in CapCut. Now in CapCut, go ahead and tap on Use AI Template. Go ahead and choose a photo of yourself. Go ahead and tap on Next. And now let CapCut apply the AI effect on it. So just give it a few minutes. Now, as you can see, it has now created you the yearbook trend video. So once you're happy, go ahead and tap on Export here at the top right. Then tap on Save and Share to TikTok. This will export it to TikTok. Go ahead and tap on Next. Go ahead and add your captions and your cover page. And then go ahead and post this to your TikTok app. Now, for those of you who are trying to find this filter, you just need to go ahead and open up the TikTok app and navigate to Test the Simple Dad profile page. And here you'll see this yearbook filter, which is right here. Tap on it and then tap on CapCut, try this template, and then you'll be able to create your very own yearbook trend video on TikTok.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.